A plain glass slab is kept over various colored letters. The letter which appears least raised. We know when we keep a glass slab of having certain thickness, say T, refractive says say it's a Ng. You are keeping on the object and this is the colored letters. The question is asked, which color which appears to be least or raised least? Least raised because when we see from other side, when the viewer is here, then the object appears to be raised because of the normal shift. O is the object and I is the image. Therefore, O to I is a normal shift. And this normal shift OI is equal to T into 1 minus 1 by N. The question is, the shift should be minimum. So, NS is minimum. Minimum implies, we know T is a constant, we cannot change, 1 minus 1 by N. So, if 1 by N is maximum, 1 by N is maximum, then NS is minimum. Because is 1 minus 1 by N implies 1 by N should be maximum. And this is maximum implies N should be minimum. That means refractive index of the material with respect to the given color is minimum, then 1 by N is maximum, 1 minus maximum value gives a minimum. Therefore, 1 by N is maximum or N minimum. Out of the 4 options which are given, one is a blue, second is a violet, third one is a green and fourth one is a red. So, red is having least value of N out of all the colors visible region. So, red is having least value, therefore red color letters will rise least. That is one way of answering. Other way, we know Pi is a apparent depth. So, we know the refractive index is equal to real depth divided by apparent depth Pi. When OI is a normal shift, is a least raised. So, Pi should be maximum. So, Pi is equal to OP divided by N. So, therefore, normal shift minimum implies Pi is maximum. When Pi is maximum, if you want to get a maximal Pi, N should be minimum because it is denominator. N should be minimum. Therefore, N minimum only for red color. Therefore, both the cases you can apply any method and both the cases red is a color which having a least value of N. Therefore, the shift will be minimum and it is given as option D.